If you're seeing LibreOffice Error 1310, don't worry. This usually means Windows is blocking the installer from writing the files it needs. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now, and it often works when the normal right-click and run as administrator method fails. Before we begin, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is run the LibreOffice installer from an elevated command prompt instead of just double-clicking it normally. This is important because standard administrator clicks can sometimes fail on MSI-based installers, especially when Windows permissions are acting up. To do that, click the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now that the admin command prompt is open, go to the folder where you downloaded the LibreOffice installer. Find the setup file, then hold Shift on your keyboard, right-click the installer, and select Copy as Path. This copies the full file location exactly as Windows needs it. Go back to the command prompt window, right-click to paste the path, and then press Enter. This should launch the installer from the elevated terminal, which gives it a better chance of completing without the error 1310 permission issue. If you still run into problems, the next step is to reset the Windows installer service. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type msiexec /unregister, then click OK. This command unregisters the Windows installer engine and can clear out broken installer behavior. After that, open the run box again using Windows key plus R. This time type msiexec /regserver, then click OK. This re-registers the Windows installer service and helps Windows rebuild the installer configuration. Once both commands are done, restart your computer. This is a really important step because it allows Windows to apply the changes fully and clears any temporary installer locks that may still be active. After your PC restarts, go back and launch the LibreOffice installation package again. This time, the installer should have a much better chance of running normally and getting past error 1310. If the problem is fixed, great, you're all set. If not, double check that you're using the correct installer file, that no old LibreOffice installation is still conflicting, and that you're logged into an account with full admin rights. I hope this helped you fix LibreOffice Error 1310 quickly and without a lot of hassle. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy Windows and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.